I'm stimulated and honored to be able to participate virtually in these interdisciplinary and cross-cultural dialogues for nature, wilderness, and places. Interdisciplinary. Academic puppets, academic bubbles, those environmental philosophers that are disciplinarily narrow, that claim to be experts, we don't need that. We need interdisciplinarity, philosophy as wisdom that is practical, that is applied, because we are in urgent need of working together for a more sustainable and peaceful life. Interdisciplinary cannot be better chosen now than ever, and to tell those disciplinary philosophers to be just teachers like the sophists were in Greek. Cross-cultural. What happens in China matters to what happens in South America. What happens in South America, in the Amazonas, in Cape Horn, will affect China, will affect the US. So in addition to go out of this academic bubble or tower, we need also to reach out to have cross-cultural dialogues. And the wisdom will be nourished by the ancient wisdom of China, with Confucianism, Taoism, Buddhism, and so many expressions of local knowledge that you have for so many years, as well as we have in the Americas, Native American people. Philosophy is there, not only Greece, not only Germany, not only in English, in many languages. And the indigenous people in our country, they are the major group, they are called Mapuche. Mapu is land, Che is people, people of the land. But we in the Western culture, we are called humans. That means people that grew out of the humus. That means the most fertile earth, the most fertile soil. So with these cross-cultural dialogues, we will recover the awareness and the conscience of being people of the earth in China, in Latin America, and around the biosphere. Finally, nature, wilderness, and place. Not more the utopian claims of the 60s. Utopia is kind of out of place. We need something that is topic, concrete, with scientists, artists, workers, students, poets, elder, young, working together in concrete places for more sustainable co-inhabitation among diverse humans and among diverse species. Forget the super single hero as the philosopher. Let's defend the community, and a community that, like in this conference, is cross-cultural, interdisciplinary, and looking for life in its diversity in a peaceful world. Thank you, and all the best wishes from the southern tip of the Americas, as well as from the Center for Cape Horn in the University of North Texas.